Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool used to encourage and strengthen desired behaviors. It involves providing rewards or praise immediately after someone exhibits a behavior you want to encourage. This approach focuses on acknowledging and reinforcing positive actions rather than punishing negative ones. How does positive reinforcement work? Positive reinforcement works by associating a desired behavior with a positive outcome. When someone receives praise or a reward after demonstrating a specific behavior, they are more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. This creates a cycle where the individual continues to engage in the desired behavior to receive the positive reinforcement. Examples of positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement can take many forms, including verbal praise, tangible rewards, or social recognition. For example, a teacher may praise a student for completing their homework on time, which encourages the student to continue completing their assignments promptly. Similarly, parents might offer their child a small reward for helping with household chores, reinforcing their helpful behavior. Benefits of positive reinforcement? Using positive reinforcement has numerous benefits, both in educational settings and daily life. It helps to increase motivation, build confidence, and strengthen relationships. When individuals feel valued and appreciated for their actions, they are more likely to remain engaged and motivated to achieve their goals. Creating effective positive reinforcement. To be effective, positive reinforcement should be immediate, consistent, and meaningful. The reward or praise should be given as soon as possible after the desired behavior occurs to reinforce the connection between the behavior and the outcome. Additionally, it's essential to consistently reinforce the behavior to maintain its strength over time, avoiding pitfalls. While positive reinforcement can be a powerful tool, it's essential to use it appropriately. Over-reliance on rewards can lead to a decrease in intrinsic motivation, where individuals only engage in the behavior for the reward rather than because they enjoy it. It's crucial to strike a balance between providing reinforcement and fostering genuine interest and enjoyment in the behavior itself. Real-world applications. Positive reinforcement is widely used in various settings, including schools, workplaces, and homes. Teachers use it to encourage students to participate in class, complete assignments, and exhibit positive behaviors. Employers use it to motivate employees to achieve goals, increase productivity, and foster a positive work environment. Similarly, parents use it to reinforce good behavior, teach important values, and strengthen family bonds. Positive reinforcement is a valuable tool for encouraging and reinforcing desired behaviors. By providing immediate rewards or praise, individuals are motivated to continue engaging in positive actions.